saw two of them.
I know, there's another one right there. They say they're mean. They're bored, so they attack.
No, they're not. They're like pigs. Well, where the heck did they come from? Oh my god, that's a big pig! Holy crap! Dinosaur pigs. Holy crap.
They can run fast.
Run up the hill, run up the hill.
Okay.
Throw rocks out. No, I'm just kidding.
Should I?
No! Holy moly, those things are huge.
Babe?
Yes, Babe the pig. Look at, he's summoning them. He's like, come to me, my piggy friends. Pork chops!
Yeah, they look mean.
No, it's Bacon. Come here, Bacon.